Good morning students. Welcome to the online yoga class part 30. Today, two of your schoolmates, Debanjan and Ananya, will show you some new workout techniques. So let's see what they are doing.
Hello everyone, my name is Debanjan Bhattacharya. I read in class 1. Today I will show you some yoga warm-up and karate techniques. Let's start!
Generally, after fast moving exercise, meditation is much required for bringing the body temperature back to normal. So now let's see what Ananya is doing.
Hi, I am Ananya Haldar of Class 12 Science, and today I'm going to perform the bumblebee breathing technique. For this, we need to put our first three fingers on our eyes gently and with the thumb cover the ears to block out the noises. Now we have to breathe in through our nose, and while exhaling, we are going to make a humming sound like a bumblebee for about 3 to 5 seconds.
This technique helps in refreshing and diverting our mind. Especially, I love the silence. Thank you class. See you all in next part. Stay healthy, stay safe.